Fold the lace in half and make sure that the scallops are matching each other. Then place the pattern on the scallop's edge, outline everything with the chalk, and after cut it off. For this project you will need the elastic lace, some soft lining fabric for the gusset, the picot elastic, the needles to pin the fabric, the scissors, the lighter, the threads, the bow, and how to make this little guy you can find the link in the description box below. The piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern you'll find the link in the description box below. Grab the gusset and place both elements wrong side to the wrong side on top of each other. And after pin them with the needles. Grab the picot elastic and sew it on here and here. Place the elastic on top of the fabric face to each other. Elastic also has a right side and the wrong one. Basically, you need to place a right side to the right side. After, sew it here. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric. You stretch a little bit only the elastic. Check the elastic everywhere, and if you see some fabric is coming out, then grab the scissors and trim this place, but make sure do not cut the elastic. Fold the elastic this way and sew here. When you finish to sew on the elastic, it should look this way. At the moment, put the gusset on the side and grab these elements. Place them face to each other, and after go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here and here. To sew this place, I'm going to use a rolled hem, but you can use the standard overlocker hem, or also you can use the sewing machine. When you finish to sew, it should look this way if you used the same rolled hem as me. Cut off the threads. After, eliminate the leftover of the threads with the lighter. On the bottom we have the back, and also we have the front, which is here. Here on the gusset we have the same, the front and the back. So front element of the gusset you need to pin with the front element of the panties. Do the same with the back element. It should look this way. Now go to your sewing machine and sew here and here. Next, cut off the threads and trim the border as well, exactly the same way like you see me doing here. Now grab the picot elastic again and sew it on here. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. Then grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads and the fluffiness of the elastic. If you see some fabric is coming out, then grab the scissors and trim this place. Grab the bow, and how to make this little guy you can find the link in the description box below. After, sew it on with the few stitches by using the needle and the thread. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!